In question 28, we're given 1 and 1/15. Take away 2/5. This is a mixed number, and this is a proper fraction. So let's write mixed number down. And that's where you have a whole part and a fraction part. And you have a proper fraction, where the numerator is smaller than the denominator. So let me write that down here. So you have 2/5. The top part is called the numerator, and the bottom part is called the denominator. Now with this question, first of all, we need to turn this mixed number into an improper fraction. So let's write that down, improper fraction. That's where the numerator is bigger than the denominator. So for example, 16/15. If you notice that the top number is bigger than the bottom number, the numerator is bigger than the denominator. Okay, so how do we do this? The big number times the bottom number plus the top number. So let's do that. 1 times 15 is 15, plus the 1 is 16. So it's going to be 16 over 15. So let me do that again. 1 times 15 is 15, plus the 1 is 16. 16 goes at the top, and this 15 goes at the bottom. Take away 2/5. Now that's our calculation, and you'll notice 15 and 5 are different, so the denominators are different. Now how do we turn these two so that they're both the same? Now I can see straight away, because I know my times tables, 5 and 15 are both in the 5 times table. So how can I turn this into 15? So I can multiply it by 3. 5, 10, 15. 1, 2, 3. So 5 times 3 is 15. Whatever I do to the bottom number, I have to do to the top number. So I have to multiply this by 3. So whatever I do to the denominator, I have to do to the numerator. So now I have this. So let me write this down. 16 over 15. Take away 2 times 3 is 6, and 5 times 3 is 15. Now this is easy because the denominators are the same. So I do the fraction line, and I put 15 at the bottom. Now I simply do 16, take away 6, which is 10. So my answer is 10/15. Now what I can do is simplify this. So let me write the word simplify. That simply means to make simpler or use the lowest numbers. So let me write this here, 10/15. Now because I know my times tables and I know that these are both in the 5 times table, I'm going to divide the top number or the numerator by 5. And whatever I do to the top number, I have to do to the bottom number or the denominator. So I have to divide that by 5. So 10 divided by 5. How many 5s are there in 10? 2. 15 divided by 5. How many 5s are there in 15? 3. So my answer here is 2/3. So after doing all this, I can say the answer is 2/3.